Bend your elbow and set your knees under your armpit, either outside of your knee. So both positions are correct. Namaste to all yoga practitioners. Again, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Gagan, and again welcome back to our the series of Asana sequence. And our today's topic is the Kakasana, and also known as the crow pose. Friends, it is great pose for strength of your upper body part, also your arms. And it's required good amount of the strength in your upper body part, raised shoulder, and being physically and mentally prepared to do this asana, it's extremely essence. Friends, it's slightly intermediate to advanced level of the asana, and it's the arm balancing pose. So before we get into the asana, let's talk about safety and precaution. So friends, people with the carpal tunnel syndrome or any kind of the wrist injury, shoulder injury, neck injury, so don't do the practice of the crow pose in that time. You can avoid this pose completely. At the same time, in the women's menstruation or pregnancy time, also avoid this pose completely, because when you perform the crow pose, so lots of pressure comes in our abdominal muscles, and it's hard to also perform in the pregnancy time to the crow pose because it's a little challenging asana or arm balancing pose. And friends, always practice this asana under the guidance. Now friends, before get into the asana, we need to prepare yourself with the inversion asana, especially the downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana, the Chaturanga Dandasana or plank pose, also known as Santulanasana, the Navasana, boat pose. So these are some of the asana we need to perform to prepare ourselves for the crow pose. So friends, first lay down on a yoga mat. So after lay down on a yoga mat, first we wanted to visualize this asana, how to perform the Kakasana. So I'm showing you from the back side how to perform the Kakasana. So friends, first you need to take your both the knees close to the chest and your palms side of the buttocks, flex your toes and your toes pointed in towards the ceiling. And friends, it will give you the support, and then after slowly raise your arms in a vertical direction. Bend your elbow and set your knees under your armpit, either outside of your knee. So both positions are correct. And make sure your palm facing up and spreading your finger, and make sure here don't move your neck too much up and too much down. Just neck in the center position, and after when you lift your legs up, then after slowly toes pointed and stay here. It will give you the nice support in your back, and at the same time engaging the quadriceps muscle. And hold this position and visualize the Kakasana practice, how to get into the Kakasana. Take some time and visualize this pose. Then after, when you understand how to perform the Kakasana, the next practice of the crow pose. So friends, now we are going to practice of the crow pose. So here we can start the crow pose from the downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana or tabletop, or you can start directly from the squat position. So this is the downward facing dog, or then after you can walk your legs and bend your knees. Second option, you can start from the tabletop, then walk your legs and foot close to the palm. Then you can set your knees under your elbow. And the third option, you can sit in the square position. And friends, here the preparation exercise you can do here, the Malasana. So place your palms on your knee and try this hip mobility exercise. It will help to increase the strength and the flexibility in your hips and legs part. So you can do this exercise 5 times and 3 repetitions. Then after, once you complete this exercise, then separate your legs according to the shoulders level and your palms front of your body. Spreading your fingers. So here when you place the palms, you have to feel you grabbing something inside of your hands. So don't get this slip in your palms. Always fix your palms So from here, place your palms front of your body. Then from here, then second step, slowly bend your elbow, and then third step, lift your hips up, shift your weight on the tip of the toes, and set your knees on your elbow, either outside of your arms. You can try according to your, it's up to you, both our position is correct. Then from here, little lean your spine. But make sure don't lean your spine too much. It is also a very important point. If you shift all the weight on your arms, so you will fall down. So always do this asana with the proper step by step and with the breath. So here first palms front side. The next step, set your knees under your elbow. Once you are comfortable, always look down. Most of the practitioners start with the look front. So don't do the practice. Always look down, gaze down, alignment here. Then when you are ready, slowly lift your one leg up. Then after, engage your core muscle, toes pointed, and then right leg. And then slowly right foot up. Look down. When you feel comfortable, then try to look front. This is the crow pose, and Sanskrit name Kakasana. Engage the quads muscle, engage your core, and stay here. And slowly come back. And friends, the breathing in the crow pose. If you want to perform only few seconds, so you can retain the breath inside while you perform the crow pose. If you want to hold the crow pose for a long time, so try with the natural breath. Now friends, we are going to the beginner sequence. So those people who are the beginners, they can try with the block support. So we need here 2 blocks, and place the blocks front of your body. Look very carefully what I am doing here. So we need here 2 blocks. You can use also the bolster or cushion. Look me with the proper step by step. What I am doing, I am placing my palms front side. Then after I am leaning my weight front, and I am set my third point, the third eye forehead on the block. It will give you some support in your shoulder, and also you will get some strength. Then after, when you feel comfortable, then left leg up, right leg up. This is the second technique to perform the crow pose. In the third step, if you feel difficulties to raise your legs, then you can use the blocks under your toes. Then place your palms, and you can set your toes on your block, bend your elbow, and you can hold the crow pose like this. Then after, slowly come back. So friend, there is 3 techniques or many more techniques to perform the crow pose. You can use the wall at the same time, or you can use the bolster or cushion under your head. But friends, when you use the bolster, so there is no so much height to set our third point on our bolster. So it's always better to use the block. So always you can try the practice of the crow pose with the block support. Friends, do this asana practice every day in a regular way. This asana will give you the good strength in your arms and your shoulder. Friends, this was over the Kakasana, the crow pose. Friends, if you do this asana practice in a regular way, so you will become master in it. It is great pose to increase the strength in your upper body part, also your shoulder raised and your elbow. And it is also great pose for your mind, memory, concentration power. And friends, always do this asana practice slowly and steady. And after the practice of the crow pose, your mind is ready for more challenging asana. And also improve the balance in your body. Friends, if you have any question, any confusion, please write to us in the comments box. If you like this video, so please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for get more new updates. In the next video, we will learn the crane pose, Kakasana. So friends, see you in the next video. Till then, namaste. Thank you very much.